see what our flight plan calls for. Oh, good. Okay. It's very helpful.
Coming off to the left, which is ideal for us.
Yeah.
For the weather.
Okay.
2 Charlie Hotels ready for departure.
Takeoff runway 35, 070 degrees 6 knots.
Clear takeoff, 2 Charlie Hotel.
Be a little warm for a prop heat, so let's leave that off. Let's put these pulse lights on. Good. As soon as the propeller is grabbed by the governor, then you're a little more linear on the power setting. If you over torque, ask for help. Don't pull the power back. The nose down for steering purposes.
Speed's alive.
Gauge is green, annunciator clear 60 knots. Cross check, just keep it in the center. It's okay now, but
85.
you'll want to leave in the future, leave your hand on the power till you rotate speed. Level the wings, get the gear up. Level the wings, that's it.
Go up, flaps up. Put a pilot on.
Set quickly now because it's got something else for you. A flow done, pumps, igniters, hot lights, threads, flaps. Auto, landing light off. Lights are displayed. Yeah, so the range is just a short distance and mostly off to the right. So let's see how the front right ahead looks. Oh, light line.
You are radar identified. You may contact rail approach 12695.
On to run approach on 126.95, 2 Charlie Hotel.
We cleared on course.
Good evening, run approach 2 Romeo India, Charlie Hotel with you.
Charlie Hotel, maintain 80 reaching, that's what you requested?
Maintain 80 on reaching, 2 Charlie Hotel.